Welcome guys. So today we'll be looking at the second practical energy saver tips. The first video was about using or enabling energy saver. So today we'll be looking at a short one, which is actually the brightness. The number one thing that consumes the biggest consumer of battery or drainer of battery, or whichever one you want to switch it, is, my brother, my sister, your battery brightness, your laptop brightness. This is the most biggest drainer of your battery life. The brighter it is, the more faster. It's just like, if it's very bright, the hose or socket or draining your battery is very large, just like the pipeline. Then if the smaller, that means the way it drains your battery is actually like a straw. So this is actually an analogy I usually use. So how do you keep it or make it okay? So most times when I'm indoors in a place that maybe is too bright, I can increase my battery percentage to around, let's say 35-40%, to make sure so I will not strain my eyes much by seeing. It will save some power for me and I actually work efficiently. But if I'm indoors, like in a dark room, I like working in a dark room, I actually leave it to 0% so as my battery lasts much longer. But if you're outside the light, you need to turn it up a little bit, like maybe in the sunlight, and also reduce it when you are when you're indoors. You reduce it when you're indoors, and when you're outside in sunlight, you increase it. But most times that is what I actually advise energy saver, because it helps to help you when you are not on power and when you're power, to help you adjust that. So how do you adjust the battery saver? On this notification icon, if you click on it, you can see your battery level where you can adjust it. And some laptops have functional keys on the keyboard that is like the sun. You see, one is a smaller sun, the other one is a bigger sun icon that is usually at the top row of your keyboard. So you tap on the bigger one to actually increase the brightness, or you tap on the smaller one to actually reduce the brightness. Another way you can go about this is by going to your settings, click on system, select system, go to display. So over here you can see your brightness bar, so you can actually click drag to increase the brightness or take it down to reduce it. Then down in this drop down arrow, you can actually change the brightness based on the content. So based on what you are working, when you're on battery, you should take down the battery automatically. So this is actually helps too to help you reduce your brightness. So I always leave my own at always, but you can actually leave it on battery, so when you are running on your laptop's battery, the light should be reduced. And pro tip, don't dim it too much, so that you don't strain your eyes much. And when you strain your eyes much, most times you get tired or feel dizzy. So you just keep it in a way, just find a balance that works for you. And this way you can be able to actually extend the battery of the lifespan of your battery life, and actually also make sure that you are okay using your laptop. Thanks for watching. I would like to know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Click on subscribe, like and share, and see you in the next battery tip we have. Thank you.